Hi, my name is Olu, and I am doing my presentation about the Texas Women Redesign website project that I did. Um, so, before I started my design, I made sure that I was following the brand guidelines for Texas Women's University. So I have two copies here. The one on the left shows the original Texas Women website homepage, and the right over here is my redesigned work, and I titled it redesigned, and I titled this the original. So the first thing you will see is the changes in backgrounds and logos. Not much of a difference because I was following the Texas Women's brand guidelines, which is very strict with colors and logos and pictures that you can use. So I was limited to what I could use. Um, so I kept the headings the same, but I changed all of the fonts to Montserrat, which was recommended by the guidelines for the brand logo of Texas Women's University. So I decided to use Montserrat. Over here, the logo, most of the fonts that was used is called Roboto. And over here, I decided to change the fill color I took out the fill color and just kept it as white, keeping the text font the maroon color. And over here, I have one of the Texas Women's logos, school logos, and I did Welcome to Texas Women, TWU. I kept the text boldly go, the motto, as that because I have to follow the brand's guidelines, so I could not change it to what I initially wanted to. I played around with the fonts and played around with effects, and I had it a fill color. I have a maroon color as like my accent colors because it was okay for me to go ahead with this particular color, following the guidelines. And I switched things around over here. I decided to add a Texas Women's University logo. I kept this as the same, but over here you can see a change that I made here. I decided to name this Find What Drives You, and I added a search link for searching for programs, activities, and more, instead of having this whole text about why Texas women. My goal for this redesign was to keep things simple and searchable and findable. I also decided to take out the all of the information about all of the campuses, and I kept it simple by adding a search link of checking out what the three campuses have to offer. I kept the news and events tabs fairly the same, but I switched things around by changing out the fonts, the font colors. I kept everything as Montserrat. I took out the picture of the Denton city, because I didn't feel like it was necessary to have on the homepage. I felt like it was clogging out the website. So I decided to take that out, and I used a picture of students living on campus and doing like cheerleading like activities. So I kept that down here. And the last tab is fairly the same. I kept things the same because I felt like I wanted to keep it professional, but I switched out colors and fonts. And here is my redesign on the right side. And that is it. Thank you.